How's it feel now?
All right.
That's good. Come on. Come on.
You know,
Oh, getting personal, eh? Well, boy, you got your head clunker,
I
eh?
came from back
Get
there.
out of here.
He didn't do it.
And you did. Get
I have to thank my friend and fellow martial artist, Sifu Bob, for putting slaps on my radar with his video on slapping.
What a slap is I come here and wham, see? Wham. So I duck here, whop, see? And I use my waist and my legs, whop, whop, right? Whop, whop.
To slap well, you must have several things going. Body mechanics and weight transfer and things like the whip-like motion of throwing a baseball. There are several ways to slap effectively. And the first person who really introduced me to slapping effectively was Guru Ed Wong, who could slap so hard that he would leave bruises that lasted for weeks if he just gave you one on the chest. I would hate to take one like that in the ear. The slap theoretically attacks a person on more than one level. It attacks them physically and emotionally because most people who use violence come from violence, and a good slap reminds people of the feeling of having been slapped in the home as a child. So when you slap somebody well, you are effectively diminishing them psychologically, as well as causing damage physically. A well-placed slap can do a lot of damage. If you know how to create power with your entire body, you can create more blunt force trauma than most people can with a hook, unless they have a lot of training on how to throw a hook effectively. However, a good slap, is easy to learn. I can take someone with no fighting skill and teach them to effectively slap in just one 1-hour session. They will come out of there with the ability to hit hard if they have to. Now, admittedly, slaps are harder to land than punches, and you have to set them up better. And often best used in more of an ambush than as a fighting technique in the ring. However, if you know how to time it, you know how to generate the power, and you use it well, a slap can be a devastating weapon.